Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The culinary prowess of Nigerian chef Hilda Bassey Effiong, who recently set a world record in marathon cooking, continues to receive acknowledgement from far and near. The latest accolades come from some young Akwa Ibom professionals who describe one of their own as a role model for youths in the Niger Delta region.
Hilda Bassey Effiong is an Akwa Ibom-born chef trending in the Nigerian media for her outstanding achievements in the culinary world. This comes after her record-breaking title of chef with the longest cooking hours in the world. Penultimate week, Hilda embarked on a famous journey to dazzle the world with her trade. Her journey to the Hall of Fame began somewhere in Lekki, Lagos State, Nigeria, where she turned on the cooker at about 4:20 p.m. on Thursday, 11th May 2023, and left it burning till Monday, 15th of May at exactly 8:40 p.m. The world's new culinary sensation cooked for 100 hours and 40 minutes, breaking the 87 hours and 45 minutes record of Indian chef Lata London. For 4 straight days, Hilda prepared dozens of local and international dishes to entertain guests. Till date, many are surprised at how she was able to combine stamina with precision to achieve what is obviously an uncommon feat. Udwak Ekong, an Uyo-based broadcaster, attributes it to the resilient spirit of a typical Akwa Ibom woman.
It's just a reinforcement of the fact that the Akwa Ibom woman is resilient. She has tenacity, and when she sets her mind to do something, she goes all out to not just set the goal, but to smash it and do it in a dignified and very graceful way.
Hilda didn't embark on her eventful journey unprepared. She was said to have undergone physical and psychological fitness training to come out strong and successful. At the end of the day, she was able to showcase the best of Nigerian cuisine to the world under physical and mental strain. Hilda's fans in Akwa Ibom State urge other young women to emulate her unrelenting spirit to succeed against all odds.
For as much as I have grown to know, you want house help, go to Akwa Ibom. You want gate man, go to Akwa Ibom. But you have made us proud. You've made Akwa Ibomites proud. You've made Niger Deltans proud.
For me, the lesson for others coming after her is that there's nothing like impossible. Rather, impossible should just be changed to impossible.
26-year-old Hilda, who hails from Biom local government area of Akwa Ibom State, is a graduate of sociology from Madonna University, AKUGHA in Anambra State. She's a multi-talented young woman who doubles as a television producer, actress, and presenter. Her rise to stardom after much hard work, according to barrister Sekenim Asuka, an Uyo-based lawyer, is a testament to the fact that Akwa Ibom State has got talents.
This goes to show that we have rich content in Akwa Ibom State, especially in the Niger Delta. If you look at our past records, even from the days of the uncommon governor of Akwa Ibom State, that we assembled about 25 choristers to sing the Carol Night to the Lord God, in which we broke the Guinness World Records then. And you will also see we have people in Akwa Ibom that are always doing this.
Hilda's fans across the Niger Delta are convinced that her story presents a new narrative about the region, different from oil, conflicts, youth restiveness, and insecurity. They look forward to the rise of other budding talents that abound in the region to stardom, just as Hilda has done.
Inside the Niger Delta,